Tesla Model S Plaid Plus, possibly. I don't really know. This is some raw footage of the Laguna Seca raceway. And it appears that whatever Tesla was testing out there may have just busted the record for a production electric vehicle for lap time around. This is one of those kind of standard test tracks. They are always used as a reference point for how quick a car, or how fast a car happens to be. The time that it was said to have clocked, 1:29.9, beats Tesla's previous lap time, which was 1:30.3. So it's not anything super crazy for a single lap, but it is better, so it is significant. By comparison, the McLaren Senna holds the current production car lap record at 1:27.6. Now, I don't know if you've ever seen the McLaren Senna, but it is a very purpose-built, it's a race car. So it remains impressive that these numbers can come from a four-door sedan electric vehicle, that they can be even close. But people are eagerly anticipating their new Model S Plaid or Plaid Plus. And I don't know if you actually saw the clip, I guess it was over the weekend. There was a UFC fight between Dariush and who did he fight?
Tony Ferguson.
Tony Ferguson, right. And he won. And in his post-fight comments, he took a shot at Elon.
Well,
it's like it's a funny, gentle shot. It's not a real shot, but
listen, the guy bought the car in December.
When did I buy the car?
I don't know, 10 years ago?
No, but it was around the same time, wouldn't it have been? Or was it a little after that? What did he buy? Did he buy a Model X?
Yeah.
Anyway, point being is, him and his wife, I think that they're the type that really needs this car. Like they really need to get a new car. And people are like, what do you mean by that? Of course, if you buy a car, you need to get the car. What I'm saying is, I think some people put in orders to Tesla realizing that it could be delayed. That was me. I'm like, I don't know when it's going to. I got an order on this Cybertruck. I don't know when it's going to.
Yeah.
But then other people that may not follow as closely, they might think it's like ordering a car from Honda or something. like you're going to get it on the date. It's a little different with Tesla. Actually, but to be fair, right now there are delays, chip shortages on a lot of major automakers. That's important to note. But anyway, so he, in a post-fight, called out Elon Musk. He used the opportunity. And Elon replied on Twitter. He said, coming soon. Sorry for the delay. And then he got a heart back from Benil Dariush. So kind of an unexpected dialogue between Elon and a UFC fighter. Yeah. But I found it to be kind of fun.
If anyone earned a Tesla like early, it would be this guy. Great fight.
Expedite his or mine, whatever.